Kia ora, hello. One or two of my students have asked me how I can help them find their way through finding sine, cos and tan for some of the key angles that are used in physics. I'm going to be looking at 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, starting with 0. First of all, I want to start by drawing up an impossibly thin triangle. We can actually see it, but we pretend we can't because it's got an angle of 0 degrees. It's got a hypotenuse of 1. And that means that the adjacent will be 1 and the size at the end there, even though it should be a right angle triangle, it doesn't really matter because it's so skinny, and that's going to be absolutely 0. But we'll pretend we can see it. Well, we'll label the hypotenuse, the adjacent, and the opposite. First of all, start off with a sine. Sine of an angle is the opposite over the hypotenuse, and that's going to be the opposite is 0 over the hypotenuse is 1, which is equal to 0, and that's quite nice. So the sine of 0 is 0. Next one is cos. Cos of an angle is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Well, in this case, they're both 1, so it's 1 over 1, which is 1. So the cos of 0 is 1. The tangent of an angle is the opposite over the adjacent. And in this case, the opposite is 0 and the adjacent is 1, so it's 0 over 1, which is 0. And in summary, for 0 degrees, we get the sine is 0, the cos is 1, and the tan is also 0.